Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. Alhamdulillah, we have seen the basics of number system. In number systems, we have seen natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. And after that, we have seen the rational numbers. I just want to be all about rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in PVQ forms, in fractions, in numerator and denominator, where numerator and denominator are integers. Is it right? And the denominator q is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, what can we say? Yeah, it can be, and we have already seen the decimal expansion of rational numbers. What is the decimal expansion of rational numbers? They are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Is it right? This is what we have seen. So now let us recall or revise the concept which we have done in grade 8. In grade 8, we have studied about rational numbers and also to find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Is it right? Now let us recall. This is our first exercise in number systems. Let us come to the first question. So in number system exercise 1.1, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? So this is our question. So my dear students, let us see. Now, yeah, is 0 a rational number? 0 is an integer, right? 0 is an integer. And we have studied that all integers are included in rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted with capital Q. So therefore, 0 is a rational number. So this is one of the argument. And the second one to prove is that yes, 0. When you take 0, when you divide a 0 with any number, okay, what is, for example, 0? Can you divide it with 2? And if you divide 0 with 2, how many times? 2 zeros are 0. In the same way, it can be divided 5. It can be divided with any other number. Is it right? So therefore, yes, 0 is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q. And one thing to be remember that the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Understood? Let us see the next question. The second question of exercise 1.1 is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Is it right, my dear students? So, second, yes. Yeah, 5, 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So, we have seen in grade 8 that in order to find a rational number between any two given numbers, what we are supposed to do, the denominators should be equal. And already we know here 3 and 4. Can you write it as 3 by 1 and 4 by 1? Yes, we can write, because whenever you divide any number with 1, it will be same. But now, my dear students, between 3 and 4, do you have any numbers? No, you don't have any numbers, right? So let us increase the denominator so that the numerator also increases and we can find the numbers in between. So what is the difference between the numerators 3 and 4? It is 1. So whenever you have a difference of 1, so multiply both the fractions with a number which is 1 greater than the required number of rational numbers. How many rational numbers are required? 6. So therefore, let us multiply multiply with 7. Okay, when you multiply with 7, what happens? So 3 by 1, multiply the numerator and denominator with 7, and 4 by 1, you multiply with 7 in numerator and denominator. So now it becomes 3 sevens 21 by 7, and 7 fours are 28 by 7. Now the denominators are equal. Can you find out what are the numbers in between the numerators? So therefore, what are the numbers? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, and 26 by 7, and 27 by 7 are six rational numbers between 3 and 4. So now in the same way, how many numbers you can find out, my dear students? You can find out n number of rational numbers between any two given numbers. That means here, let me remind you, there are infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4. Is that clear? Let us see the next exercise, next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Same concept, denominators are same. So when you find the difference between the numerators, it is 1. So what you are supposed to do, you have to multiply with a number 1 greater than the required number. How many are required here? 5. So therefore, multiply with 6. So that is equal to 3 6 into 6 and by 5 into 6. And 4 into 6 divided by 5 into 6. Okay, that is equal to 6 to the 18 divided by 30, and 6 4 the 24 divided by 30. So now how many numbers you have in between? So therefore 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30 are 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Is that clear, my dear students? So simple. State whether the following statement are true and false. Give reasons for your answers. So he's talking about number systems, and he's comparing and he's relating one number system to another. So let me explain you before everything. So the starting one is natural numbers, and when we add 0 to it, will become whole number. And to whole numbers and natural numbers, when we add negative integers, so the whole set will become integers. Is it right? And all integers, we can keep all the integers in a set of rational numbers. Here, every number, whichever number is written in the p by q form, it is called as rational numbers. So integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, everything will come under it. So this is, now let us see. Every natural number is a whole number. Here, inside the set of whole numbers, you have natural numbers. So obviously, every natural number is a whole number. So this is true. Understood? And every integer is a whole number. Is every integer a whole number? See, integer is a bigger set and whole number is a small subset of it. So that means all whole numbers are included in integers. But this negative integers, whatever we have seen, so this negative integers are not included in whole numbers. So therefore, every integer is a whole number is a false. Why? Because negative integers are not whole numbers. Okay. Now, every rational number is a whole number. Let us see whether every rational number is a whole number. See, rational number is a bigger set and whole numbers is a small set, subset of it. So that means every rational number cannot be whole number. Subset, smaller set can be a bigger set, but every set, the bigger set cannot be included in smaller set, right? So that is what we understand. So in negative integers and whatever are the negative integers which can be written in the form of p by q, those are not included in whole numbers. So therefore, every rational number is a whole number is a false. Why? The reason is so the negative rational numbers, negative not rational numbers, negative integers, which can be written in the form of p by q, and also positive rational numbers. Yes. So positive rationals, which can be written in the p by q form, are not included in the set of whole numbers. So that is the reason. Understood? With this, we have completed exercise 1.1, and inshallah, in the next video, after along with the notes of irrational numbers, I will include the video of the second exercise also. Till then, take care. And students, just listening to mathematics will not work out, because along with listening, after understanding the concept, you have to repeat it. Please remember, you have to repeat. Until unless you repeat, you will not get mathematics. You cannot do it. You may understand the concept, but you cannot recall them and put them on the paper during examinations or whenever the concepts are needed. So please revise and redo them in your classwork without seeing. Okay, along with me, you can, if you want, you can do it. But after that, at least once you have to do it without seeing it. Understood? So please take care, and you understand the concept, and if you like it, please share it with your friends so that they get also benefited from it. And please be there. And if you if you are able to understand like this, so that I can know, okay, whether you are able to understand the concepts or not. And waiting for the comments. Be positive. That means not positive comment. Don't use other than the comments. And yeah, if you want me to rectify anything, you can do it. And yeah, while explaining, it takes time. So my videos may be a little bit slow. You can watch it at a speed of 1.25 if you well enough to understand the concept. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Have a good day, my dear students. Bye bye.